Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie and I do videos on general lifestyle, houseplants, calligraphy, home cooking and everything in between. So if you'd like to join me on this journey, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button below for notifications on my new video. So today I thought I'll do an unboxing and review of new calligraphy inks that I received in the mail, and these ones are from KWZ Inks. Stay tuned if you'd like to see color swatches and how they write on paper. So here's my order of KWZ calligraphy inks in black, white, blue, copper red, silver, and yellow gold. KWZ or KWZ have been makers of fountain pen inks since its founder Konrad Zurowski started it as a hobby back in 2012. Their inks are handmade in small batches in Poland and include iron gall as well as this calligraphy line that I've been wanting to try since it was introduced. The calligraphy inks were created in collaboration with Polish calligraphers who tested these inks prior to launching the collection. The selling point is no feathering and no shaking required of the metallic inks, especially as they've developed a product that maintains a stable mix of the shimmery particles. As you can see, the metallic inks do not separate, which eliminates the need for vigorous shaking and mixing before and while using these inks. I was interested in the metallic colors for that reason, but I decided on a full set of 6, so I could also test out the black and white in comparison to other inks I currently use. I'll test the inks on light and dark paper. Here I am using a Nico G nib on my Flourish pen by Tom's Studio. On first impression, the yellow gold goes on smoothly and is quite a diluted consistency compared to other gold inks I've used. It appears to not be as opaque on a white background, but we'll see how it performs on darker paper. Next is the copper red. This one's definitely going on a lot more opaque than the yellow gold, and I'm loving the slight reddish tone of this copper shade. Silver. Ooh, this is leaning on a gunmetal type silver. I think the dark tones will show more in the next test as light is bouncing off the white paper and brightening up the silver. Then there's blue, a rich and regal shade which is quite unlike the other navy inks I have. This one maintains the opacity from first stroke to the last. And black. It writes well and no complaints here, as I'll always need black ink in my collection and will easily use this for my next project. let's see how the colors look as the light shines from different angles. I can see that these colors have a matte finish on them, at least on this white paper. There isn't so much of a glittery shimmer on the metallics, but more of a solid, shiny appearance, which I quite like as I associate them to fine metals used in jewelry. One thing to note about the KWZ calligraphy line is that they are pigment inks that are permanent and waterproof. Next, let's test the white and metallic inks on a darker surface. I'm using burgundy instead of black. The white goes on pretty thinly, so if you're trying out this color, you may want to add some gum arabica to thicken the consistency a little. As expected, the yellow gold is strikingly beautiful on darker paper. To celebrate the new year, KWZ have released 4 new colors in Mercury Red, which is a metallic red, Pearl Blue, Pearl White, and a matte red as well. I'm curious to try the Mercury Red as I don't have a metallic red in my ink collection, and also the matte red will be a nice addition. The copper red is a winner on both light and dark backgrounds. There are only a few distributors in Australia that stock KWZ calligraphy inks, and I placed my order with Bookbinders Australia. You can get 10% off your first online order with them, and delivery is free over $69. I'll leave a link down below to their online store if you're interested to check them out. Last but not least, the silver. The darker tone is more visible here, and it's giving me a beautiful platinum shade, which I really like because most silver inks tend to be on a lighter side. Now for the light test. The white is so thin, it's taking on some of the burgundy dye from the paper, just ever so slightly. I do think the yellow gold, copper red, and silver are winners here. Here's the side-by-side comparison of the inks on light and dark paper. Let me know in the comments below which color is your favorite. I hope you all enjoyed my review on KWZ calligraphy inks. I do like writing with them and will post some of the work that I've done on my Instagram, which you can follow at @thestylejane. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll be back again next week with another video. So until then, take care and stay safe everyone.